everyone, and welcome. Today I have got this amazing idea. I think I'm crazy, but I want to give it a try. I've been cooking for nearly 40 years, and so I thought to try to make it a little bit more complex. And it's my first time, so I'm not going to lie. This is nerve-wracking, but I'm going to try to do a fancy bakery style danishes. I hope it's not going to be a mess, but I'm going to put it in two parts. I'm going to do some today and some tomorrow because there's a lot involved, a lot of chilling involved. And it, through the research, it looks like it's doable, but like I said, I'm nervous, so let's give it a shot. You start off with 4 sticks of butter, and this is unsalted butter, and you're going to cut off a half a tablespoon off of each end of the you take those off. Then I'm gonna set these aside so they can get a little soft, but you still want them cold because for the pastries it will be less messy. Did double checking because I'm using active yeast, so I read that if you use the active yeast, it'll take a little bit longer, but you can do the same thing. It'll just take like maybe a half an hour longer. Well, this recipe I'm going to do in 2 parts, and so it's not going to matter. The rising will catch up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a half. It's hard to read these sometimes on the spoons. Okay, let's give it a shot. You just don't want big, huge, large lumps because that's the butter. You want it to spread out as much as possible. Kind of hurts my bad hand, so I'll use my good hand. Ugh. And mix this up. The dough has formed, so I'm going to switch it over to the other panel here, the dough kneader. And I'm going to move over here. Then sprinkle it with flour. And then cover it with another piece of this plastic wrap. Now you gotta pound it. Now, I'm gonna take this, and this has to be rolled into a triangle about, or not triangle, rectangle, about 12 inches wide and 24 inches long. Quite a bit to go. Make room up here. So you definitely need a lot of counter space to make something like this. Then take the other one, put it on top, and then you roll it out. Then fold it again. Once you get it stretched as far as you can, you go ahead and do it again. This is what you put in overnight. Feels like it's going to be a creamy pastry. Flaky too, I can kind of tell already. Okay, so I'll cover that. And I'll see you tomorrow.